Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI video for free. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use Pixverse. So first of all, you can open up Pixverse, app.pixverse.ai, and then you're going to sign in to this website with your Google account. Alright, I have already signed into this website, and after we sign into this website, we will get 60 credits for free for the daily credits. So you can create AI video for free guys using your credits, but of course it's limited for each day. If you don't want to be limited, you can subscribe to Pixverse. And then I'm going to add my prompt here. You can also add photo as the reference, but I'm just going to use my prompt. For example, I'm going to create magical video, and then you can choose the duration here, 5 seconds or 8 seconds, and you can choose the ratio, and then you're going to click on create, and it costs 20 credits. Okay, and now the video is being generated. Okay, and these are my previous videos, the videos I have created before, and this is the result for this prompt. And yeah, that's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.